Here we can submit our job. But before submitting the job, we need to go to the subroutine file and write the USDFLD and Dflux subroutine that we introduced in the material property module and load definition module. So let me open the subroutine file. Perfect. Okay, as you know, when you are using different subroutines in a simulation, you can write them in succession. I mean, here I use just one subroutine file. I mean, just one Fortran file because I need to introduce it to the job module. Here you see that we can just introduce one Fortran file. So we define the USDFLD and Dflux subroutine in one subroutine. The first one is the USDFLD subroutine that we defined for the material properties definition for the thermal conductivity of the powder, which is transited to the which has a transition to the solid material after the temperature reaches to the melting point. So we can see here that we define a temperature transition as a double precision. So the temperature transition is defined as the melting point of the material, which is 1296 degrees centigrade, and the field variable 1 is assigned 0.